What's up, beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Claire, and today I'm partnering with Hot Braids to show you how I achieved this gorgeous natural looking crochet style using their exotic afro kinky curly human hair in natural black. And now let me tell you, this hair is everything. It's 4A 4B texture, super soft, and it blends seamlessly with my natural hair, as you can see from the clips. The best part, I only need one bundle to complete this full voluminous look. One bundle, that's it. And as always, this is what you receive when you order from Hot Braids. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Now, of course, I'm starting with freshly washed and conditioned hair because you know we always take care of our natural hair underneath it all. I started by prepping my natural hair into neat cornrows, leaving just enough space for a seamless crochet pattern. Then using my crochet hook, I installed the hair one section at a time. What I love about this texture is how lightweight and full it is. It gives that natural afro look without the heaviness. I love that this hair comes pre-looped so that way it's easier to separate the crochet hair. No tangles, no mess, no lost hair. This is what my braided foundation looks like, and of course I left a little out in the front because I wanted a part in the middle and I wanted to leave my perimeter out as well because we're going to blend this in with this crochet hair. Now here comes the fun part. I am starting my crochet braids above my nape. Because this hair is so thick, you don't need to start all the way at the bottom. I tell you guys that all the time. The curly hair, you can start above your nape and you can save yourself a lot of time. almost the end. Now that that is done, we are going to go straight in and define these curls. So next, you're going to take your water, you're going to take mousse and leave-in conditioner, gel as well. I used a little bit of everything just to see which one I liked best. And this is just me showing you the leftover hair that I had in that one bundle. It's a lot left over. Now I'm going to be sectioning off my hair so that way it's easier for me to define the curls. Now I'm just taking some mousse and some flaxseed gel to finger coil and define the curls. Because the hair is so full, I went in and did small sections at a time, so that way I know that the product has worked through all of the hair. That the curls are defined, I am going to go in and start blending my hair with this hair. So I'm taking out the middle portion of my hair and the perimeters, and I am creating that part down the middle or off to the side, however you want to do for your style, but I'm doing it down the middle. And I'm going to go in and saturate my hair with water. And then I'm going to add mousse and flaxseed gel in order to define the curls. So I'm going to be doing some finger coils. You'll see me finger coiling my hair in small sections, so that way it's easier to blend. your hair is defined and it is dry, you can see how seamlessly it blends with this 4A, 4B hair. And this is the final look. I love it. It's so fluffy, it's soft, it's defined, and it just blends so well with my hair. This looks like it came out of my scalp. Like, you can't tell me otherwise. Whether you're going for everyday curls or a statement protective style, Hot Braids Exotic Afro Kinky Curly hair gives you that effortless, natural finish that looks and feels just like your own hair. If you're ready to elevate your crochet styles, check out Hot Braids. I'll have all the details linked below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed as always, and stay prayed up. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.